Hello and welcome to all. Today we will learn how to use Zoom for online teaching learning. First of all, be ready with the content which you want to use during the class. The content could be in any form. It could be in MS Word, PowerPoint, PDF form, handwritten notes, any video. That video could be recorded or that video could be there, using online platform. When you're ready with your content, start your session at your scheduled time and make sure if you're a host that you should start your session at least 1 or 2 minutes before to your scheduled time. And how you can start it by simply clicking on Zoom. When you click on Zoom, it will display you the home screen and it says that your class is at 2:50 to 3:20 and it's going to be start in 2 minutes. So this is a better way that you are being a host. You are well in advance. You are ready with the age and everything. And over here, I just wanted to show you how exactly the content should be there. This is my presentation, which I just want to show them, during my class. This is the PDF form which I just wanted to display. This is MS Word, which I want to display in my class, and this is my online video, which I just wanted to display. Now it's saying that you can start your session in 1 minute. So I'm simply clicking on start so that if some of the students, as soon as they reach, they meet the time, they click on that, then accordingly they can join the class. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Right now it's 2:49, so you can wait for some time. You can wait for some time. So the students will join. Now it's 2:50, so students will start joining your class, and you'll get the notification accordingly. Like we have got student one here. Wait for some time so that the other students will also join you. So these, let's say, for an example, I've taken two students, those who are joining to the class. Now when you start a class, before joining a class, what all you can do, you can click on manage participants. You can click on mute all, and it will show you this uh, dialog box. It says that allow participants to unmute themselves. It gives you an option that the students can unmute themselves, but if you do not want this option to be given to the students, you can uncheck this checkbox and click on yes. So this is totally in a hand how you manage a class. So by simply clicking on manage participants, as and when it is required, to use, to mute or unmute your students, you can use it. If let's say you just want to interact with the students, you can simply unmute them, and if you want to deliver the content without any disturbance, you can simply click on mute all and uncheck this one and click on yes. Now you are ready to deliver a class. Let's say I just want to deliver my topic with the presentation. So for that, you need to share the screen. You click on share screen, and if your PPT has got certain sound, you can say share computer sound as well. Click on this click on this share computer sound, and click on, if your PPT has got certain sound, then only, okay. Or then you can make use of your presentation. This is the presentation which I was looking for. Click on that presentation and click on share. Now this is the presentation which I just wanted to share to my students. Now click on this, okay. Press F5 for its slide shows. Explain whatever you want to explain, okay. And then after explaining each and everything from a presentation, you click on stop share. Now, if you have something to interact with the student, again you can click on unmute all, or manage the students accordingly. If you want to show something, through the MS Word, you can again click on share screen, click on your MS Word. This is MS Word. Click on this and click on share. Now this is your MS Word screen, which will be shared with the students. You explain this, what we want to explain, and click on stop share. Let's say you have now the content with your PDF file. Again, you click on share, click on the PDF file which you wanted to share, click on share, and now this is the content which you wanted to share with the students. Click on stop share. Again, if you have got, let's say, any video which you wanted to show to your students, click on your um, Google Chrome which you wanted to show to your students. Click on this, click on share. Okay, and this is the video which you just wanted to show to my students. You can search, you can click on this and share, click on new tab and share, search for that particular video. I've already searched for the students, so I'll simply click on full screen and run the video. Install it, right? And then once it is there, you click on zoom. So once you click on zoom, it will show you the home screen of Zoom application. You need to click on schedule. So that way, and you can after that, you need to enter the meeting details. It consists of the topic. It is here. You need to enter the topic. Okay, so I just come out of this and again go back to your class. So now, I mean, you have used four tools. One was a PowerPoint presentation. You used MS Word. You used PDF. You used online video. Okay. The basic thing which was there and which was very very important, that content was ready with you, and that's why there was no lag in between the transition of your contents, of showing your contents. So this is very very important. At the end of that, I mean, if let's say you're over with your content delivery, then you can unmute all the students and ask students to raise certain questions. Or another way, you can click on again mute all, allow participants to unmute themselves, and ask the students that unmute yourself if you want to have certain questions. Let's say student one, if you just want to clarify from student one, click on this unmute button. The student one is now unmute. Okay, now this is unmute, and the student one can ask any question. Okay, you can answer the question, and finally, you can come out of that. So this is the whole scenario, how you can deliver a class. If you want to record your the entire session, you can click on record at the beginning of your session. Okay, and at the end stop recording. And once you end your meeting, the entire content will be converted into MP4. Okay, you can download it, and later on you can upload it or send your student through mail, or you can upload it in Google Classes. So that's all how basically you use Zoom for your content delivery, or you can say that online teaching learning. Thank you very much. I hope you like it.